Sometimes we face this problem to delete files or folder on our computer, but it's failed. This is a very common problem we all face. So if you're currently facing this problem to delete any files and folder but you can't, then I will show you how to delete undeletable files and folders in Windows. Solution number 1, change the folder or files permission. Right click on the folder or file and click on Properties. Select the Security tab and click on Edit. And inside of group or username, select your username. And here, make sure to deselect all of these options. Then click on Apply. OK. Once done, try to delete the file or folder. If this doesn't work, then follow the next solution. And the second solution is restarting your computer. So all you have to need, just restart your computer, and once it's restored, retry to delete the file or folder and you will see the file or folder has been deleted. So this is how we can fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.